Start off by chopping up some mushrooms. Make these as big or as small as you want it. Usually do about 1 to 1.5 cups after it's been chopped. We'll go ahead and chop up the bacon, 4 or 5 strips. We'll set the Instant Pot to saute mode on high. We'll drop in our bacon. Gonna saute this until it's nice and crispy. Once that is got nice and crispy, we'll go ahead and turn saute mode off. Let it cool down just a hair. We'll go ahead and add in our garlic. Got 4 to 5 cloves. We'll go ahead and give that a stir. We'll saute that garlic until it just starts to turn brown. Don't want to cook it too long. We'll go ahead and add in our 4 cups chicken stock. Chicken bone broth that I made. I just made this earlier today. I'll have the video and the link in the description. Also, I'll put it on the screen here now. And then we're just gonna deglaze the bottom of the pan. Be sure to remove any little stuck on brown bits off the bottom from the bacon. We'll add in 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning. We'll add in 8 ounces cream cheese. Just chop them up into little cubes. That way they spread out. Go ahead and add in our tri-colored panini pasta. You can definitely use regular panini pasta as well. My kids just like the different colors. We'll put the lid on. Turn it to high pressure for 3 minutes. And then after the 3 minutes, we're gonna do a manual pressure release. While that's cooking, we'll grab our rotisserie chicken out of the fridge that we already deboned. We're just gonna break that up into small pieces here. We want about 1.5 cups chicken. We'll set this aside and we'll release the pressure on our Instant Pot. So once the pin is dropped, we'll go ahead and open the lid. We're gonna add in 1.5 cups shredded cheese. I use Monterey Jack and cheddar blend. You can use just plain cheddar if you want. We're gonna give that a quick stir. We'll add in our mushrooms and our chicken. And as this cools, it'll continue to cook. It'll warm up that chicken, cook the mushrooms, and it'll get nice and thick. We'll let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Now after it's cooled down a bit, you can see it's nice and thick. Now for the taste test. How is it?
Good.
Well, there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'll catch you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.